hello, mega love shout out everyone. Belated Happy New Year, belated Merry Christmas, and Happy Three Kings to everyone. First of all, we would like to thank God above all kasi okay naman tayo. At sana okay lang din kayo lahat. I hope everybody's doing well, doing fine. And first, shout out ko muna ang aking bunso sa Pilipinas. Chard Ingo anak, ingat ka lagi. Aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog. Sa lahat ng aking kapatid sa aking mga kamag-anak, shout out sa inyong lahat. And of course, first of all, thank you to those always supporting my simple videos, my simple, my small YouTube channel, and simple videos. Thank you guys for supporting me, especially to my silent live for my WH. Now, I have now 3,700K, so very close now to 4K, so I hope you can help me guys, so that I can monetize again. And thank you Asmar Whispering Waves for always supporting my silent live every night. Sometimes I always ask you there. Asmar Whispering Waves, Ding Simple Living, Michael Kiambao, Leah B. Tatino, Leah B. DeSantis, sino pa yung nakikita ko doon na lagi? Ading Jin GM, ading Talpa Kicks, ading Love Travel Music, Love Travel Music ading ko, and sis ko na Honey YTC, Tuldogs ko rin, and Yumigs Channel Parikoy, sino ka? And yeah, to those always supporting my silent live for my WH, thank you to all of you guys, and I would like to shout out my old team. Sisikoy na Laren Director, Sisikoy Agbiag Vlog at Conce, ading Holy Marie, ading Nils TV, Tol Jower Music Reels, and adding Cold Sam Wing TV all the way from New York City. To all my old team, shout out sa inyong lahat. Nels TV, adding Nels TV. Kabsat Ayel Sayote, Kabsat Onyo, Sisikoy Jobs in Hawaii, Sisikoy Good Vibes Maris. Sa lahat ng aking mga sisikoy, shout out sa inyong lahat. Ano pa ang nasabihin ko? Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa support. And thank you to all of you guys for supporting me. The Drifter PH, shout out. Sino ba? Tintin, Chinita Channel, Kamahalan Toyoyong, Kamahalang Kamaling Mix Vlog, shout out. Sa lahat ng dumadalo sa aking channel, shout out, thank you guys. Ano pa ba yan? I hope swertein tayo itong 2026 lahat, guys. Again, that's all. Thank you guys. Especially to those always supporting my silent live, for my WH. Thank you. And I would like also to shout out Tol Thinking OFW all the way from Saudi Arabia. Tol Thinking OFW. Belated Merry Christmas and belated Happy New Year.